Oh, mwah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Without wasting your time, let's get straight to this video. And this is a spring twist that I tried. And yeah, first of all, you just need to tie a rope. I'm using yarn strands that I have at home, and I tied it around the chair. Just do what suits you, what makes you comfortable. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like. I got this hair off Amazon. I bought this hair through the link that Cynthykay shared after she made her hair with this twist, string twist the other time on her channel. So yeah, I followed the link and I bought these 3 packs. And so yeah, today I want to show you how I tried. I really didn't know that this hair was this difficult, but yeah, I'll save the story for later. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick one strand of hair at a time. I guess you can use 2, but I'm using 1 at a time. And so I'm going to get one and just open them up from the end, from all the ends, from the middle and all that. Just open it up to just fluff it up like that. Then pass it through the thread I tied on the chair. I covered this chair with a pillowcase just because black might not show you everything I'm doing. Just why to give you a better background. So yeah, what you do now is just begin to wrap the hair around themselves. Like, don't twist. I know this hair is called spring twist, but you will not get the result when you twist it. So what you do, you just wrap it around like so, like I'm showing you up close now. Just wrap around, and when you put it around the rope, make sure that both ends meet, so that when you finish, the end will finish nicely. So I keep wrapping it around because I cannot say I keep twisting, because you are not expected to twist. That was where I got my first impression. Like, I thought if you twist it around, it will give it a twist, but no. When you get to the end like that, it's good to just go and just wrap it around. You can use like a gel to seal it in, but it will be fine. It doesn't unravel. This hair is very light, very soft and nice, and you see how it went back bouncy. When you are twisting it, it's like double this length. When you are wrapping it, it's like double the length, but when you leave it, it just bounces back. So I'm showing it, and I'll be showing it for like a couple of times so that you can see what I'm doing, and I'll let you watch it, and then I'll come back. Okay, now, so this is what the 2 strands I've done look like, and I'm so proud of myself. What actually happened is that the first bundle of this hair I twisted, I didn't really like it. It didn't come out really nice, despite the fact that my friend Cynthykay tried to put me through. I tried and I wasn't really proud. I keep giving her feedback, like taking pictures of what I was doing and showing her. I didn't kind of really get it, because when I watched that video, it seems so easy and all that, but honestly guys, I was twisting, seriously twisting, and I didn't even unravel like I did in this video to give it this natural look. So it was hard. And I watched other videos on YouTube, which I'll put down in the description box for you to see. I watched video of G Glow. She's very good at doing this. She has a full video on how to twist. I'm going to put the video down in the description, but you can check that out. And I also watched Beautycanbraid. She has loads of video on it. So these people just make it look easy, honestly. So these three people really helped me in achieving this look, and I'm really grateful. So I'm going to put all their video link down in the description box for you to check them out also. So yeah, this is what I did until I twisted all bundles together, and at this point I was like, all right, I'm doing well, everything is nice, bouncy. And yeah, this is all the bundles I twisted. And like you can see, I cannot wait to put this on my hair. I really love how beautiful this looks like, and I put a white paper under for you to see like the background, to see the definition of what I did. I'm really, really proud of myself. This is beautiful, lovely. This hair doesn't have weight at all. And if I'm not mistaken, one pack is like 21 strands, so I have like 21 times 3 altogether. So yeah, I'm getting ready now to start. So yeah, what I'm going to do next is to do a braid pattern. So I'm going to keep my braid pattern simple, and just I'm going to braid everything all back. This video is just for beginners. I didn't want to complicate matters like do strands, but I bought more hair, and I have more hair right now, so I'm going to come again and do another video. So if there's anything that you think I did not touch on this video and you want me to include in another video of this kind of style, just write your comment down in the comment section and I will do that. So yeah, so I'm gonna just go braid my hair all back, leave like a little bit of closure like in the front where I can just be like my parts. I'm going to leave like two parts up there for me to just use to finish the hair, and I'm keeping it easy and simple. There's no point in doing like a serious braid pattern that will complicate issues. So having in mind I'm using 3 bundles. If you want a fuller look, you can use 5, you can use 6 bundles as you wish, but I'm using 3. So when I finish braiding, I'm going to crochet the remaining strand of hair that is sticking out like that. You don't have to come out. So installing the hair, I'm going to pull them out of the robe and I'll begin to install. It's very simple. What you do, you need a large hook, and you just pass it through your braid, then pull it through under, and I'll just like loop it only once and just pull, and that is it. So this is all you need to do on on your hair. There is no invisible crochet, nothing, just normal crochet, and your hair will come out nice. So I'll let you watch what I'm doing, then I come back and talk to you again. So I make sure I fill this up properly, and I just make sure that all the space that you see there, I put hair into it, and that is all. Everybody say hi. Say hello. Good boy. This place here. Look at the video. Say hi. Hi. Oh, mwah.